Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these cooling racks, but let's go and get right into this. So this is, the size is 40 times 25.5 centimeters. Let me go ahead and show you what they look like though. So they come packaged like this. So this is what they look like. They're just two like metal cooling racks. I like to use these if I bake cookies or if I have like a super hot pan that just came out of the oven. I don't want to set them directly on my table. I'll actually use these for that too, and it works great. But I use it more for like baking than anything, and I do like to bake cookies and stuff. So let's go ahead and see how they work though. I use these cooling racks for these potato hash browns, and then I use them for some cookies, and they worked great. I had no issues. It was amazing. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.